Stop guessing and start growing with our digital impact process. Creating digital impact comes from a few areas: knowing and understanding your key positioning, developing concise and clear content on your website, and then breaking up that content into sizable bites throughout all of your other media channels so that people can come back to your website and really understand your true story. We see a lot of organizations overcomplicating the message and overcomplicating the position of where they can help their customers. So we help them simplify their message, simplify their content through the vehicle of a website, which then can umbrella out to all other aspects of their business. Being able to have somebody understand what you do and why you do it in the first 3 seconds is a very difficult thing to accomplish. We are constantly challenging ourselves to do the exact same thing. But what we found to be successful is just real straight talk. Make it simple, make it to the point, and don't overcomplicate things, which allows people to really achieve what we call digital impact in a clean, concise manner through their website. Our digital impact process walks you through concise messaging, strong visuals, and a website that is going to help impact all aspects of your marketing. The website sits at the top as your umbrella, and then all the other content can spin off of that. There are 6 key areas that we look at when assessing your current and how we can help your future digital impact. And it goes across your sales and your marketing for your organization. First and foremost, on the marketing side, we talk to 3 key components, which are brand reputation, your actual website experience, and then all of your content marketing. Those 3 together umbrella over your marketing. And then from a sales standpoint, we look at client acquisition, your internal systems, and then your overall company revenue. Those 6 together make up your sales and marketing digital impact, all housed and packaged through your website. The first place we help people start is their messaging and their positioning. That's the first thing that you can do, is understand who you're going after and why you're going after them. And then that strategy is going to drive all the other things that are going to truly make a positive digital impact and allow you to start growing today. If you want some more information on how we drive digital impact, take our 5-minute questionnaire that allows you to answer a self-assessment of where you are today with your digital impact, or book a discovery call and let's chat today.